Hello friends, in this one we are going to be looking at how we can add contrast, non-destructive contrast to your image that's going to make your image pop in Adobe Photoshop. This is Twisted Creative. Alaribe Morris, my name. It's your first time on this channel. Please do me a favor. Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button. Not just hitting that subscribe button. Also ring that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Without wasting much time, let's get into it. This image we are going to be using, this is a pretty model. As you can see, the retouching has been done. After your retouching, you can start doing this. Then just click on this adjustment layer icon here and choose hue and saturation. You're not going to do anything here, just have to close this, then go to the blend mode and choose color burn. You have to go to the fill and change the fill to, let's say 11% should be fine. Just dial in 11 here. You can see what is going on already. Let's see the before and after. This is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. That is not all. Let's go to the adjustment layer again and choose hue and saturation for the second time. We are not still going to set anything here. Just go to close this up, then go to the blend mode here and choose color dodge. Let's go to the fill and take it to, let's take the fill to 11% also, or 10% depending on your image. You can see what is going on here. Let's name this guy is color, as you can see is color dodge here. Let's name it to dodge. Then this other guy, let's rename this guy to be burn. So have the dodge and burn folder here. Select the first one, hold your control or your shift, hold your control to select the second one. Then use your control G to place them in a group. Then let's check the before and after. Let's check the before. This is the before and this is the after. This is the before and this is the after. Okay, let's open the group and see without the dodge, let's see without the dodge how it's looking. It's not that bad, but with the dodge it's going to bring out the highlights very much, very well. Then let's see the burn. Let's see the dodge without the burn. So this is it. It's a kind of whitish, and let's activate it again. Then you can see, isn't that amazing? After your retouching and all that, you just have to do this little thing to boost your image, to move it to pro level. So that is it. If you find it interesting, helpful and useful, let us know in the comment section telling us the area it has helped, the area it would have helped, and the area we need to improve on. Like I said earlier, if it's your first time on this channel, please do me a favor. Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button, because we are working towards 50,000 subscribers this period, because it's going to help in the algorithm to boost this channel and to keep this channel running. Please do well to subscribe. So don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Creative people, keep on creating. Keep on creating. See you in the next one. Bye for now.